Hey guys, hope you're doing okay. The product that I'm reviewing today is a mid-range gaming headset from Meixsell. So it arrived well presented in this box. And it's worth noting that the two standout features are the noise cancelling mic and surround sound. Although it's worth noting that you only get the surround sound with the USB version, and that's the one I'm reviewing today. First impressions then, so this is what it looks like. And there's no doubt that it was good quality. It looked quite stylish, had a unique design, and it was a bit lighter than expected. I did like the design, although it didn't look that futuristic. It looked a lot different to most Meixsell headsets that I've come across. With the most prominent regions being the metal midsection and the circular ear cups. I liked how it had a good amount of padding on the ear cups and the headband. How it could stretch outwards and push inwards a lot. How the mic is super flexible. And how the controller could mute the audio and mic independently. Not so good was that the length couldn't be adjusted. So in terms of user experience, it was comfortable to wear. The ear pads did overheat my ears a bit, but not excessively. It had a great sound output, lots of punchy and long-lasting bass, did a good job of ironing out sound anomalies. It was clear and generally well balanced, although the lows did choke higher notes at times. The surround sound worked well, but wasn't that impressive. I'm now going to play you a short sound sample so that you can get to hear the audio for yourself. The mic was generally clear. It did a good job of isolating my voice, but it didn't cancel out all external noises in the background. Also included inside the box was a driver CD and a user manual. But sadly, there was no mention of a warranty, which was disconcerting given that the manufacturer has been around for 20 years. So that's the end of the review, guys. In summary, it generally performed well overall in most areas and only had a few minor weaknesses, but with a $35 price tag, it wasn't that cheap. Verdict is 8 out of 10. As always, if you liked the review, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys.